Let's quickly talk about feedback. Okay, let's start. Press this button. Nothing happens. How long do you think an average user takes to react to think this doesn't work at all? Half a second, more or less. So, okay, we have pressed the button. And now what? How long do you think a user takes for this? Couple of seconds. This is a bit better. Bonus points if you have some annotations what's actually happening underneath. So in general, when we have programs that are slow, sluggish, or that are perceived slow, sluggish, what do you think the users do with them? They don't use them. They avoid them. Do we write those programs? Yes, sometimes yes. How long can your tests take until you start to avoid them? 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 40 minutes? If you have a 40-minute test suite, how often do you run it during the day? Once at most, right? Good luck fixing and finding all the bugs that you introduced during the day. If the test suite runs for 1 second, you just smash that button, and you get immediate feedback when you broke something. So slow test means you have more bugs. Try to trim down your test suites, or to not trim them down, but to make them faster. How about people? When we talk to people, how is the feedback then? Don't be that guy in your daily stand-up. I'm working on it. I'm working on it 3 days later, still working on it. Give some more context. How far have you come? When you get an email, please do this, do this. Okay, I can't do it right now. But send a response. Okay, I will do it. I'm a bit busy this week. I will start next week. Tell me if that's okay. Instead of just ignoring the email request, right? How about pull requests, code reviews? Make time to do these code reviews, because if you give them some comments like 1 week later, they have moved on. And they probably will merge the code pull request without fixing your comments, if they can. So please give your feedback quickly, because most times in our profession, time is money.